Hello students of Standard 10. Welcome to the e-learning classes of DAV Moyle Public School. Subject Agriculture. Our today's topic is production and management of potato crop. Solanum tuberosum L is the botanical name of potato which belongs to family Solanaceae. Is the staple food of many European countries of the world. It is an important source of starch. It is a rich source of carbohydrate, vitamins, in vitamins that is B1, B2, B6 and C, minerals like calcium, phosphorus and iron, and proteins. Soil and climate requirements. It can grow in almost all types of soils. The well-drained clay loam soil is considered as ideal for its cultivation. It is a cool season crop and can tolerate moderate frost. It requires 20 degrees Celsius soil temperature for better germination. Young plant growth is good at 24 degrees Celsius, but later growth is favored by a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. No tuberization takes place when the night temperature exceeds 32 degrees Celsius. Maximum tuberization occurs at 20 degrees Celsius. Tuber formation stops completely at about 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. Varieties. The varieties are categorized as early varieties, main season varieties, late varieties, and processing varieties. First one is early varieties. These varieties are ready for harvest in 70 to 80 days, such as Khufri Ashoka, Khufri Chandramukhi, Khufri Jawahar, and Khufri Laukar. Main season varieties are they are ready for harvest in 90 to 95 days. Among the white colored varieties, Khufri Jyoti, Khufri Sutlaj, Khufri Pukraj, Khufri Megha, Khufri Badshah, Khufri Anand, Khufri Bahar, Khufri Sadabahar, Khufri Deva, Khufri Sirpa are important. In late varieties, Khufri Jivan, Khufri Nilamani, Khufri Khasigor, Khufri Naveen. And in processing varieties, Khufri Chipsona 1, Khufri Chipsona 2, Khufri Chipsona 3 and Khufri Chipsona are important varieties. Soil preparation and planting. A well-prepared soil provides sufficient room for the development of tubers and also help to retain moisture. The fields are plugged to a depth of 20 to 35 centimeter first with soil turning, plug and afterward by 4 to 5 plugins with country plug. Discs hover. Clouds must be broken to make the field well flourished and leveled. Planting time. According to the region, season, planting time and harvesting time are different. Just like in northern western hills, very high hills, the season is summer, planting time in the month of April and May and harvesting time belongs to September to October. Very high hills belongs to season summer. Planting time mid of March and April. September to October is harvesting time. Just like that, in the various plains of northern, the detailed chart is shown. Look at this chart, we get the information about planting time of potato crop. Seed rate and propagation 25 to 35 quintal tubers per hectare. Potato is traditionally propagated through tubers. The eyes on the tuber surface contains axillary bud. The tubers have a dormancy of nearly 8 to 10 weeks after harvesting. The auxiliary buds on the tubers starting germinating by producing sprouts only when this dormancy is over. The sprouted tubers put a fast and vigorous growth when planted in the soil. Breaking of dormancy. This dormancy can be broken by dipping cut tubers for 1 to 1.5 hours in theorine at 1 to 2% solutions or treating tubers with 5 ppm solution at Ga3 for 10 seconds. Seed size and spacing: planting 40 to 45 G tubers with 40 to 50 mm diameter at a spacing of 45 to 60 cm between rows and 20 to 25 cm between the tubers within the row. Tubers cutting is not recommended especially for the production of a seed crop as it terminates viruses and bacteria. Manures and fertilizers: apply farmyard manure at 100 quintal per hectare at the time of field preparation. However, fertilizations are applied at 120 raised to 80 raised to 60 kg nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus oxide per hectare respectively. Full dose of farmyard manure, phosphorus and potassium and a half of nitrogen should be applied at the time of planting. Remaining parts of nitrogen should be top dressed at the time of earthing up for effective utilization of the crops. Irrigation: water is applied effectively and economically at critical stage in crop development, that is stolon formation, tuber initiation and tuber development stage for the crop. Irrigation is stopped about 10 days before harvesting of crops to allow firming of tuber skin. Plant protection: major diseases and their management, like early blight. Concentric rings of brown to black color are formed on the leaves. Heavily infected leaves fall off after drying. Spots also appear on stems. Control measures: destroy crops debris. Spray Ridomil MZ at 2 gram per liter or 0.3%, Blickstocks or 0.25%, D-Thane M45, Dithane Z78 and fortnight intervals 3 to 4 times. Grow resistance varieties, that is, or example, Kufri, Naveen, Kufri, G1. Next one is later bleak. Lower leaves are infected having cottony growth. Water-soaked lessons appears on the margins. Tubers decay under severe infections. Control measures: use disease-free seeds. Spray Ridomil at 2 gram per liter of water. Grow resistance varieties like Kufri Jawahar, Kufri Himshona, Kufri Jyoti, Kufri Swarima, Kufri Kanchana. Disease management: cutworms, potato tuber moths need to be controlled like cutworms. Symptoms: adult moth cause extensive damage by cutting the plant. Control measures: flood the infested field, handpick and destroy the larvae, set up light trap at 1% per hectare or pheromone trap at 10% per hectare to attract male moths, and spray insecticides or chlorpyrifos 20 EC at 1 liter per hectare or neem oil 3% at 5.0 ml per liter. Next one is potato tuber moth. It causes damage to tuber in the field and storage by tunneling the foliage, stem and tubers. Control measures: avoid swelling planting of tubers. Plant the tubers at depth of 10 to 15 cm. Collect and destroy the infected tubers and fumigate the store with carbon disulfide. Maturity, harvesting and yield. The crop is harvested when it is fully matured, which can be characterized by yellowish of humus and no pulling out of skin on drumming of tubers. At the time of harvesting, field should not be too wet or too dry. Tractor operated potato diggers are available for digging the tubers from the field. Earlier varieties may produce 200 quintal tubers per hectare and late variety produce about 300 quintal tubers per hectare. This is a complete information about potato crop.
Now it's time to check your knowledge about today's topic. Here are some questions as your assignment.